Hi guys, my name is Wasif and welcome to Wasif Tech YouTube channel. And today topic is how to configure Magento to abandoned cart email, a full guide and tips. So start my video. The rate of abandoned cart on e-commerce website is always a headache that causes many businesses to lose potential revenue with Magento 2 configuring abandoned cart. Reminders emails abandoned cart email not only help you attract customer to return to complete their order but also contribute to increasing the conversions rate efficiently. In this article, PSS Commerce will help you understand what is the Magento to abundance cart email is and some tips to make the best use of this future. Magento cart abundance overview. What is Magento cart abundance? How Magento cart impact your sale? Magento to abundant cart email overview. What is Magento to abundant cart emails? Benefits Magentos. Magento cart abundance overview. What is Magento cart abandonments? Magento cart abandonments. It is a situation when a customer has added a product to the cart is the Magento store but did not complete the purchase and instead left. This is a common problem in this e-commerce industries today. If the Magento to cart abandonment rate is too high, it will cause a business to lose revenue. How Magento cart abandonment impact your sale? Abandoned shopping cart when means lose revenue for businesses. However, it's not only that abandoned shopping carts also cause many other impacts such as decreased conversions rate. Abandoned shopping cart will cause a decrease in conversions rate, which is an indicator of whether a business is successful or not. Increase customers acquisition cost. Customers who do not complete transactions means that the effort to convert potential customers into revenue returns to zero, and businesses need to invest to be able to attract customers again. Negations. Customers experience gaps in the payment cycle or apologized payments product impact customers impact incredibles revenue is hard to predict since to the shopping process is not finished, so fluctuations will disrupt this. Magento 2 abandoned cart email overview. What is Magento 2 abandoned cart email? Magento 2 abandoned cart email is a functionality for Magento to store for restoring a part of sales that are lost because of the customers who added because to their carts but left the site without making an order. The features send email as soon as someone leaves a cart, prompting them to come back and completing the purchase. Benefits of Magento to abandoned cart emails. Magento to abandoned cart emails provide many advantages to choose the stop owners who would like to increase sales and improves the overall performance of their online store. Improve conversions by reminding customers what they have abandoned their cart. Conversions of missed opportunities to order can be achieved. Boost engagement, make it even easier to get in touch with your store visitors that already have shown the link, reminding them to buy and choose that follow the link to return your shop. Enhance your user experience. Tailored abandoned cart emails show user that the stores cares about its customers as well as their shopping path and contribute to customers loyalty. And the odd shopping experiments also uncovers signaled thoughts the customer emails that the most people are not getting to potential income they are looking for. Personalized, you can personalized emails templates with dynamic content, customer name, product, in card, discount code, CTA buttons. So email seems to be specially creates and sent to each other, so time saving and no workload saving. Emails automatically not only save your times and efforts by automating emails to be tracked and sent, but also gives you the opportunity to focus on other significant parts of the business you may be concerned. 9 Magento development agencies for small to mid range budget. 9 plus tips to choose Magento website development agency. How to configure Magento to abundant cart email. Step 1 enables abundant cart email functionality. Abundant cards emails features are not ready to build into Magento. There's for businesses that want to be used into need to install it. Additionally, thoughts the external email marketing service that integrates with Magento. Step 2 choose an extension or service businesses and choose from one of the following popular abundant cards email extensions and services. Dot Digital's engagements cloud automate sending emails to customers with advanced analytics and reporting capabilities. Empastry abundant cards email customizable email template scheduling setting and detail reporting. Step 3 install and configure the extension. The next step is to install and configure Magento to abundant card email. To give you better idea, here is how to install and configure Mega Plaza's abundant card email. Install the extensions, download and install the abundant card email extension using composers or by uploading the package to your Magento roots directly. After uploading, run the following commands in your Magento roots via SSH and access the configuration panels, navigate to store settings and configuration extensions. Abundance card emails fill the extensions, configurations, status and sections. Sending choose the forms want to the show up as sender's email general usage. Wrap customer support email template choose the prep components in your emails. Send test emails fill your the email test for interviews. Add to relate product in emails put relate up the cross. You can also use the pulse SMS notification to remind customer of our abandoned carts. Customize email templates. How you can modify your email templates. Navigate to open marketing, then communicate, then emails templates. To add a new email complete you must choose to default complete to edit. Enter the template names and in emails contents testing the emails reviews contents determines which emails method work best. Complete customers review to improve your buying process and customer outreach. Bad practices for creating effective Magento to abandoned cart emails. In order to choose customers click on the open the emails and you need to use integrating personal subject lines, informal tones they feels for ease and are not regular intent. Create the sense of urgency, emphasizing limits of offers to limit qualities and for example happy or hurry you can't and cards experiences about expire the only how left you can also include the time sensitive offer like complete your order in the show product images shippings and returns. There's the times to customers will go cold feet and concerns purchase including easy return in 30 days. Collecting more emails both logins in more customers and customers who enters emails and checkout are targeted by the cart abundance complete checkouts letters. Conclusion. Setting up and optimizing Magento to abundant cart email is simple solutions but brings clear results, reducing carts abandonment rates, increasing revenue and building a professional customer experience. If you're looking for a reputations partner to develop customers Magento website or need a support to deploy advanced features such as abundant cards, email, BSS conversions, and increased revenue in the Magento information. Contact us today. So, friend, my topic is complete. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.